Uh, Ever wonder what truly scares Hollywood? Not ghosts, not goblins, but a bidding war. Uh, A24 just won a fierce one, snatching the rights to revive the iconic horror franchise, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Uh, but they aren't stopping at just one project. They're diving in headfirst in both a new film and a TV series. And and who's leading the charge? None other than Glen Powell, the star of Top Gun Maverick and Twisters. Powell's production company, Barnstorm Productions, is partnering with A24 to bring a fresh, terrifying chapter to the Leatherface saga. Um, he he's clearly a fan, calling the original film one of his favorites and uh, a defining piece of Texas cinema. The TV series will be a collaborative effort, bringing together talents like JT Molnar, the writer behind The Long Walk. After the team also includes seasoned horror producers Roy Lee and Steven Schneider, known for their work on chilling projects. And it doesn't stop there. Kim Henkel, the co-writer of the original 1974 film, is back to lend his expertise, ensuring a connection to the roots of this terrifying franchise. Uh, his son, Ian Henkel, is also involved carrying on the family legacy, while a new movie is also in early development with the same core team. Mahler is focusing his energy on the TV series, hinting at a more expansive and detailed exploration of the Texas Chainsaw universe. Um, and so, what do you call a chainsaw wielding vegetarian? A stock Ivor. Uh, it's a terrible joke, but hopefully it adds a little levity to this terrifying news. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, we are